Some of you may be doubting the existence of God due to scientific arguments. Today I want to talk specifically about the theory of evolution. The simplest form of life is monocellular life, or single-celled. For a single-celled animal to continue to live is through multiplying itself. Multiplying life, whether in a single-celled organism or a more complex animal, requires DNA. The complexity of DNA is staggering, and the likelihood of it coming into existence by chance is astronomically small. You may have heard this argument before. I like to add a couple of layers to it. For argument's sake, let's say that by chance a single-celled animal with DNA could happen. Something else would have to happen at the same time for this life form to maintain life, and that is plant life. This plant life, like the animal, also must have DNA in order to propagate. Another layer to the impossibility of this chance happening is that both life forms need each other to live. The plant needing the carbon dioxide and decaying matter created by the animal, and the animal needing the oxygen and food created by the plant. Both life forms being created by chance at the same time, at the same place, and providing life-sustaining byproducts to each other is impossible. You may have heard that all things are possible in an infinite universe. First, science has shown that the universe may be finite. But even in the face of infinity, all things are not necessarily possible. Let's take the mathematical constant pi. It is infinite and non-repeating. It has been said that all numerical combinations are contained in pi. Your social security number, your phone number, and if the alphabet is converted to numbers, the entire works of Shakespeare are contained in pi. I doubt that the entire works of Shakespeare, verbatim, appears in pi. And if all numerical combinations are contained in pi, then the entire Library of Congress is contained in pi in Dewey Decimal Classification order. Even though pi is infinite, that does not mean all numerical combinations are possible. Being infinite makes it impossible to prove, but logical thinking tells us that the infinite stream of random numbers won't result in something as beautiful and organized as the works of Shakespeare, or a near infinite universe without deliberate and intelligent design would not contain such a vast combination of atoms.